right, I'm here at 1005 Unit A on Alice Street. Right here in Nashville, you can see all around this whole street is really growing, new construction all up and down, brand new homes going in. But let's go take a look at this one and we'll check out the bonus view off the upstairs balcony. So 2-car garage right at the front. Coming around this way is the main entry to the home. Let's go check it out here. So opens right up into a nice hallway area here. Shoes and coats can go in easily right here. So 2-car garage. It's actually big enough for 2 cars and some storage as well. Coming back this way, we've got our kitchen area. Very nicely done, modern, oversized island here in the middle. We've got a half bathroom right here. Very stylish. The wallpaper. And back over here, we've got a huge pantry as well. Goes way up in there. And then coming through this way, we've got the dining room area where your table would go right here. Living room, a nice accent wall. Covered back deck out to the backyard. TV mount right here. That's the downstairs. It is hardwoods throughout the downstairs. Going up here. All the bedrooms have their own bathroom. 2 actually share a bathroom, that is. So we've got bedroom number 1. Right here. This is the bedroom that I want to show you guys. This awesome view of downtown Nashville. But first, let's check out the bathroom. So we got double vanities, nice tile floor, shower in here. All right, let's go check it out. So off your front deck, just on the other side of that tree, you can see downtown Nashville. Enjoy your coffee out here on the deck in the morning. Back around here. Got a closet. Oh yeah, laundry is right here, washer and dryer are upstairs, so you don't have to carry laundry upstairs. That's a very nice feature. Got another closet here. Bedroom number 3. With its own bathroom. second master with a back deck, also a very high ceiling. You can see some new development coming in back here. But there is lots happening up here in the North Nashville area. You can enjoy front deck, back deck, upstairs, downstairs. And the master shower. Double vanity. And then around here is the closet, which is massive. You can see this full walk-in closet here. With all the built-in shelves. Really nice size. All right, don't miss it. 1005 Alice Street, Unit A.